This video was made as a documentation of English MGMP events towards the Center Flower Tourism Center. Yo guys, now we are in Santera. We're gonna continuing to introduce ourselves.
My name Muslimin. I'm from MTS 2 Kota Malang.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, hello, I'm Rokib. I'm from MTS Ibadur Rahman, Kota Malang.
Hi, I'm Zainul. I'm from MTS Ataroki, Kota Malang.
Wikoil Islama from MTS Surya Buana.
I am Mr. Rahmat Husaini, MTS KM Said. Okay.
Thank you.
I am Abdul Wahid. I'm from MTS Muhammadiyah 1 Malang.
Yep.
I'm Febri, MTS Darussalam Agung. I am Nur Faiza. I am from Nurul Ulum Malang. I'm Trihandrani from MTS Muhammadiyah 2. Eni Aviati, MTS Sunan Kalijogo. Hello, I'm Ita Puspita from MTS Al Amin. I'm Farida from MTS Ataroki.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Novi Ayu Lestari from MTS Ma'arif NU Kota Malang. Hi, I'm Dina from MTS Mu'alimat. Hello, I'm Nurdayati. I'm from MTS Darussolihin Malang. Hi, I'm Lilis. I'm from MTS N2 Kota Malang. Hi, I'm Listiani. I'm from MTS Muhammadiyah Ban. Hai, assalamualaikum. I'm Yesi. I'm from MTS Heltu Samia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Jenny Nurayati Stiorayu from MTS Samit Rusdi Kota Malang.
And I'm Santiko Wijaksono from MTS Al-Hamid. Thank you so much. Offers an expansive flower garden that are so beautiful. Visitors can see various types of flower that grows in the tourism spot. No wonder this flowers garden is suitable as an education tour. This addition to the beautiful flower garden, this tourist spot visitors can feel the sensation of vacation like abroad. These are many replicas of types European to South Korean building. There are also a number of contemporary photo spots that should be used selfie background.
Believe me, I could live without you, but I really don't want to. Believe me, I could love without you, but I really don't need to. 'Cause leaving is the hardest thing to do. But being left is hard, oh yes it's true. But you're coming back. How do I get back to you, to you, to you? How can I get back to you?
Yo guys, we can see all the Linting Kung has freaking agenda at this side, and you know this is a freaking stage and all that shit right here.
Leaving is the hardest thing to do. But being left is hard, oh yes it's true. But you're coming back. How do I get back to you, to you, to you? But you're
Bounce of flower right here.
Leaving is the hardest thing to do.
This is a good stuff for taking photo. Actually, where people can sit right there and make sure everything is Gucci and the flowers are good right here. This one also the good place for getting pictures.
Tematik. Colorful. And make life be careful.
Are you supposed to be here again with the family?
It's maybe
Yeah.
if I have
Free time.
free time.
Yo guys, now you can see those view from the upper side right here. We're going through the dust.
Loh, Pak Angga kelihatan nggak?
Yo guys, now we're arriving in the place that where the people can throw himself through there to there. But we never know. Let's try. Let's try to find. Oh my gosh, it's a niqabs women. How it feels? Let's try to find out. Oh, this is the vinyl of all shit. Wait there.
Yang kalah langsung maju bersama saya.
Enggak, Pak.
Nanti kalau kita udah dapat 3 orang, orang tersebut akan kita apapun.
Dor. Kan saya kameramen. 1.
Wah, Dor. Kan baru. Dor. Belum 3.
Dor. Apa ini Bapak Ibu tugasnya?
Jalanan yang panjang, apanya menghembus angkasa. Ada angin di pangkat Mondoro, setunggu tempat keberojo.
16.
Iya.
49, 50.
Ganjil. Genap. Genap. Tolong diingat itu adalah kartu Anda ganjil. Berarti yang tidak angkat tangan genap.
Dua angka.
Tuna bodas tipung tarigu.
Oh, itu.
Ya, tar.
Siapa
Ini ya,
ini?
kalau salah nanti bisa dilempar di
Tapi nggak bisa nyanyi.
Ayo.
Jangan
Gimana?
iki nyamar Bu. Kayak iki Bu Inul iki.
Nyamar ya.
Ayo, silakan diteruskan, Bu.
Ayo Bu. Lala kopi susu.
Oh,
Ya kan?
iya. Judul lagunya? Oh, bukan.
Lalu judulnya.
Bukan. Rungta.
Oh, betul.
Hah? Iya, ya terus. Yes.
Tapi aku lali. Bagaikan sebatang pohon, lebat bunganya serta buahnya. Walaupun hidup 1000 tahun, kalau tak sembahyang, apa gunanya? Walaupun hidup 1000 tahun, kalau tak sembahyang, apa gunanya?
Tepuk tangan dulu.
Yo guys, now we're trying to explore another fucking place. We're turning back. As you can see, this is a house of terror right there. It needs a close, you know. I don't know, but we're trying. Oh, this shit. Oh my gosh. You have to pay something to enter this stuff. And all our friend right there was coming over and trying to go back. That's the reason why I'm not even enter to that place though. Yo, we are going back. Thank you for following us from start to finish. Support us by subscribe, like, and turn notification bell on. You don't even wanna miss every single fucking video we made. See you in the next chance. Peace out.